My mental health took a toll at that time. My family was hurt and I was heartbroken. I was trying to be reflective, thinking about what else I've done wrong apart from that remark. I kept asking myself, what just happened? So many losses, I hurt my family members and things that I had to endure, said Ranveer Alabadia. In his latest podcast, YouTuber Ranveer Alabadia opened about the intense backlash he faced following his controversial remarks about parenting during an episode of the stand up comedy show India's Got Latent. But does self reflection alone suffice? Or should public figures be held more accountable for their words? The controversy was so overwhelming that many advised Ranveer to step back from content creation. He recounted, some people said that I should take a break from content creation for 1 or 2 years because if something this bad has happened, it might be due to a long term series of mistakes on my part. Nevertheless, he chose to confront the situation head on. तो अगर इस दलदल से निकलना होगा तो वो भी एक्शन और मेहनत से ही होगा. But is sheer determination enough to mend broken trust, or should he have taken a break to reflect more deeply? Ranveer claims that the controversy taught him valuable lessons. When such situations arrive, people's true character is revealed. I saw a lot of good in people too. My close friends and mentors stood by me, and even people I'd never met before reached out to help. Ranveer's journey through his controversy is a reminder of how words, once spoken, cannot be taken back. Can public figures ever fully recover from such backlash? Or do missteps leave a permanent mark? The next few months will be telling. So stay tuned. This is Deepthi signing off. Watch Famous TV for more content.